Hi guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these s'mores brownies. Let's begin. So to get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large heat-proof bowl, then add in your butter and place this in the microwave and melt the butter. So for it's around about a minute. Then you can add in your cocoa powder and whisk until it's fully incorporated. The mixture should become smoother and glossier. That's when you know that you've done well. Then you can go ahead and add in the sugar and just mix this in until it's fully incorporated. You will notice a change in consistency, and this is due to the amount of sugar that has been added. It will become much more granular, but don't worry, this is completely normal and will be alleviated as we work our way through the recipe. Then add in your eggs and vanilla and just whisk these in until they are fully incorporated. And the mixture should become again smooth and glossy, but it won't be completely smooth. But then just give the bowl a quick scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. So don't forget to get the top and the bottom of the bowl, as this is normally where I don't fully incorporate things, but you may do a better job, but still give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate them if they are there. Then go ahead and add in your dry ingredients, which is your flour and chocolate chips, followed by the marshmallows and digestive biscuit pieces, and just fold these in until they are fully incorporated. You're hoping to not see a trace of a single ingredient, so take the time it needs just to get this perfect. Once you have, you can then grab your 9x9 inch square baking pan, which has been lined with some parchment paper, and pour in all of that brownie batter and just spread on over it out as much as it's needed. This is a little thicker than usual, and that's due to the amount of fillings that I've added, but don't worry, they bake up perfectly fine. On top of the mixture, you can go ahead and add dollops of chocolate spread, and then just use a butter knife to swirl it around until you're happy, and it should have some form of a pretty pattern. But again, this is completely up to you and you don't have to swirl it around at all, but I like to do this. So once you're done swirling it around, you can then go ahead and place it into your preheated oven and then bake it off. All that information will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you're interested. Once it's baked fresh from the oven, you can go ahead and finish off the brownies. So I just take some digestive biscuit pieces, those are just digestive biscuits that have been broken up, and place them on top, pressing them down a little bit just to secure them in place. Then scatter over some more of the mini marshmallows. I'm using pink and white, but feel free to use just the pink or just the white if that's what you can get your hands on. Then just scatter over a few chocolate chips for good measure, then chill, and I recommend leaving it in the fridge overnight, as this will make them denser and fudgier, but feel free to do whatever you need to. Then the next day for me, I cut these up in the morning, and I cut mine into 9 portions, and you get 9 very generous portions, so keep that in mind. You may be able to cut these in half again and share them with more people, because baking really is a kind of care and share thing to do. But then here is what the brownies look like. You've got that dense brownie and the filling studied throughout. Who doesn't want this? It looks good. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to my social media. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.